One of the things that having me on retainer can help you with is Amazon suspensions, Amazon deactivations, listing deactivations, account deactivations, how to write your own plan of action, and specifically non-intellectual property right deactivations. So this pertains to tracking numbers, used, sold as new, inauthentic, any consumer complaint, A to Z claims, and the goal of our consultation will be to help you write your own plan of action so that you don't have to hire us to write your plan of action, or you don't have to pay another service, and certainly so that you never submit a form to Amazon when you have a deactivation. The basic goal of every plan of action is to persuade Amazon staff to reactivate or reinstate your listing or your account, whatever it is that's suspended, and that's one of the things we'll be able to talk about during your consultation.